In the heart of the vibrant forest, a renowned avian healer faced an unprecedented challenge. Dr. Benee, the sincere healer, spotted a distressed bird in need of his expertise. The birds flocked to Benee, seeking help that tested his limits. Collaborative efforts led to the creation of a makeshift clinic to address the increasing healthcare demands. A unique case forced Benee to explore unorthodox methods in his practice. A lurking figure posed a new challenge to Benee's established clinic, threatening its credibility. Determined to overcome the adversity, Benee and his allies devised a plan to outshine the rival. The forest held its breath as Benee unveiled his groundbreaking method, proving his worth in the face of doubt. The forest resonated with heartfelt gratitude for the healer who went above and beyond, for the well-being of all.